According to David Antali, the Fed may assign settlement responsibilities to an outside party like Ripple. If this development comes to pass, it would result in a significant increase in the value of XRP, possibly reaching the $10,000 mark. The announcement by the U.S. Federal Reserve about the use of XRP has recently made headlines. Senior Vice President David Andela from the St. Louis Federal Reserve Branch has highlighted the potential integration of Ripple for processing payments, specifically RippleNet's reliance on XRP as a facilitator for these transactions. Furthermore, it is crucial to remember that the Federal Reserve's action is not unexpected. The Federal Reserve acknowledged the potential role of XRP and XLM in strengthening the blockchain component of their FedNow payment service in an official announcement a few weeks ago, or maybe a month ago. The focus is on Ripple, which is renowned for its creative cross-border payment solutions and open-source financial transaction technologies. Before we continue, this is an XRP arbitrage platform that allows you to earn 5 to 10% of your investment every single day. I have been using this platform to make at least $50 every day, and I've already made a video on the complete guide of this platform. You can find the link in the video's description. Please make sure you watch it. Now let me withdraw my profit for today. As you can see $50 over here, I will click on withdraw right here, and I will click on my cryptocurrency to withdraw, which is XRP, and I will click move down to enter the amount I want to withdraw. I'll enter $50, click request, and confirm it here. That's it. I'll get the money in my wallet in a few minutes. As you can see, the deposit has arrived, which is cool and simple. Please watch the first video, the link in the description of the video. And please make sure you do your research. Thank you. The FedNow Payment Services integration of Ripple's technology is expected to play a significant role in propelling XRP's value to previously unheard of heights, which is Ripple's partnership with the Federal Reserve, as it was formally announced on the federalreserve.gov website. The report, titled The U.S. Path to Faster Payments, recognizes Ripple as a key player in partnership with the Federal Reserve for Payment Solutions in its first section. The ability of Ripple to enable real-time international payments, which typically take 2 to 4 days with little tracking and fee transparency, is particularly highlighted in the report. Ripple transforms this by providing quick settlement and full visibility into fees and payment status. Next, we learn that the Federal Reserve and Ripple have expanded their partnership to encompass domestic payments. There is a wealth of supporting documentation that viewers can pause and read. One important passage from the report highlights how central banks like the Federal Reserve, the Bank of England, and the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority have partnered with Ripple to improve the domestic payment system. Another intriguing feature of the report is its reference to Ripple Labs' innovation at the core level of payment processing, which focuses on providing a free, real-time settlement infrastructure globally. It suggests that the Federal Reserve plans to adopt and implement Ripple's decentralized peer-to-peer settlement framework, which is expected to replace current fund transfer systems. Looking back, there were early signs of this development approximately a year ago. During a Federal Reserve segment on Fox News about investigating a digital US dollar, the Ripple logo was prominently displayed. Moreover, organizations such as the Federal Reserve Board, the International Monetary Fund, and the Bank for International Settlements have incorporated Ripple into their covert operations. Partners expressing interest in Ripple technology and exploring the fascinating realm of international finance. It becomes clear that a sizable amount of the global wealth is handled by the Bank of International Settlements. It's noteworthy that Ripple has entered this market. The Department of the Interior released a statement citing Jess Chan, a senior council member at the Frederickshire Board of Governors. For those curious about the specifics, Jess, a former deputy general counsel at Ripple, is allegedly leading this initiative. The Federal Reserve recently warned about possible bank losses due to pressures on real estate and rising interest rates, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot to unpack here, and it's all pretty interconnected. It's interesting to note that they have been discussing this with several partners since early March. Additionally, it appears that BRICS in the EU are going to adopt XRP. The European Union has even hinted that the new digital Euro wealth transfer management system will be built on top of XRP. As we watch the video, It's evident that the story of XRP is rapidly changing beyond the SEC versus Ripple saga. We're now witnessing BRICS nations deciding to develop their central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger in partnership with Ripple. The XRP ledger is the subject of multiple reports that support the claim that the value of XRP is about to surge. One prominent expert predicts a short-term jump to $5 to $50, with the potential to reach $10,000 as it gains global traction. Breaking news indicates that this brick-and-mortar central bank digital currency will be a major global financial tool, and there is proof of Ripple's wide network throughout every BRIC country, which we will examine in detail. Let's begin in Brazil, where a revolutionary development has taken place in collaboration with Ripple. A groundbreaking cryptocurrency on-demand liquidity service has been introduced in Brazil. In light of SWIFT's decision to bar Russia from its payment system, there has been a noticeable shift toward Ripple Labs' objective of developing a Russian central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger. This move not only circumvents the SWIFT ban, but also takes advantage of the XRP ledger's decentralized nature to ensure Russia's continued participation in global finance shifting. This initiative represents a significant step forward in the country's financial technology landscape. Next, we turn our attention to Russia. Extensive documentation reveals a strategic shift by President Putin towards diversifying away from the petrodollar and the USD. India is at the forefront of another important project that is driving the country's ambitious digital rupee push. This project marks a significant advancement in India's quest for a comprehensive GL. Ripple Labs technology is the foundation of global CBDC. But the tale doesn't stop there. China has also joined the fray, working with Ripple to gain traction in the field of digital currencies issued by central banks. This collaboration represents Ripple's growing clout in Africa's global financial scene. Similar to this, the 2022 African Blockchain Report highlights the increasing significance of CBDs on the XRP. The research highlights that South Africa, along with more than a dozen other African nations, has implemented XRP and Ripple for their payment processing systems. This extensive use highlights the ledger's growing significance in the African financial environment, and a recent BRICS XRP analysis emphasized it as a leading digital asset for payment services. BRICS's support solidifies XRP's standing as a major force in the digital currency space. Recent events have led to a spike in XRP price expectations, with some particularly noteworthy projections grabbing our attention, such as top financial analysts publicly predicting an XRP price of $500. It naturally leads to a thorough investigation, and our results produced an interesting officially endorsed XRP for use.